Today I want to show you how you can generate subtitles for your YouTube videos locally on your computer without any online services, completely for free. But before that, let's try to do it the naive way. For example, vid.io, the first online service I found. I uploaded my latest video and it looks like I can even generate subtitles. But wait! It says that after processing my 1.5 minute video, I'll be left with only 36 free seconds of subtitle generation. Vid.io is indeed very generous, and of course I can always buy more time with my money. Let's move on. The next service is CLI.deo. I upload my video once again and it says that after processing my 2-minute video, I'll be left with 6 minutes for auto subtitles this month. Whoa, this is a whole new level. Now I can process up to 8 minutes of video each month. But what if I want to process, let's say, a 12-minute video? Well, I can always do this after paying money. The last one I found is Capwing. Let's see what we can do. I can't generate subtitles even for my 2-minute video because it costs 2 credits and I have only 1. You know what's the most interesting part? You don't even need this. Any of this. If you want to generate subtitles for your YouTube video, there is a simple and free way to do this. Yes, it requires some basic terminal skills, but I think anyone can handle this. The first thing you need is FFmpeg. This is a video and audio processing tool, and you can easily install it by opening your Windows command line and typing this command. It works on Windows 10 and 11. Next, we need Python, particularly version 3.13. You can find it on the official website here. Python 3.13, download Windows installer 64-bit. Once it's downloaded, open it, click this checkbox, this is very important, and then click Install Now. Open the Windows command line again. Now you need to type the command that will install the actual tool for subtitle generation. Check if it's installed correctly by typing the word whisper in the same command line. And if it works, you now have a super useful and powerful tool to generate subtitles for videos of any length, for free and locally on your computer. Let's test it. Open the folder with your video, click here, and type cmd to open the command line inside this folder. Again, type whisper, choose the small model. I find this model quite accurate. It recognizes all the English words I say, and I am not even a native English speaker, so I think it'll be more than enough for your videos as well. Next, specify that we want to transcribe this video, it means to generate subtitles. We also specify the language. In my case, it's English. And then type the name of your video file. Or if you don't want to type it, just press the tab button until you get the required file, press enter and wait for it to finish. As you can see, it recognizes all the words. I can tell this is 100% correct because I know the entire text. And in the folder you will find the SRT file with your subtitles ready to be uploaded to YouTube. If something is wrong, you can always change it right here in this file. And this is it. You can find the commands I used in the description below. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.